Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to manage map visibility on your Strava app. At first you have to open Strava, then find and select settings, go a bit lower, and here you will notice privacy controls, so it's actually at the top of the list. Then go a bit lower and here you've got additional controls. Tap on map visibility and here you can manage the way it is displayed. So you can hide the start and end points of activities that happen on a specific address. You can hide the start and end points of activities no matter what they happen, or you can hide your activity maps from others completely. Let me pick this middle option, then for example hide 400 meters in both start and end ways. Tap on save and that's it. Obviously you can choose whichever option you only want. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.